going on, guys? Welcome back to yet again another CPFM unboxing, man. And today we're gonna be taking a look at the blue pair. This is the blue pair now. We got all three pair, size 14. Make sure you guys check out this video right here where we showcase the green pair. Crazy details. I talked a lot about how I feel about the whole collection in general on this video. So if you guys want to see my thoughts on like the whole collection in general, check out this video. But now we're just gonna take a look at the shoe. I don't want to talk too much about the same topping points on all the videos, but here it is, man. Same box, sandpaper filling on the box, rusted all over the place, looking like a locker, a rusted locker. Very nice. Size 14, as you guys can see here. Very beautiful, man. Same wrapping as so. All right, and here we have it. Let's take them out the box. This is my first time seeing all these shoes. All these unboxings is my first time seeing them in hand like this. So I'm excited. Oh my gosh. Here is the purple pair. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Or should I say the gold pair? I think this is actually, oh, whoa. This is not the blue, oh, this is the purple pair. It said blue on the box. Okay, okay, so this is the purple pair. It said blue on the box. Okay, maybe I missed it, but so this is the gold pair essentially, because that's what they called it, the gold pair. Let's take a look at this one first. Like I said, if you guys want to see like my full thoughts on like the whole collection, check out this video so you guys can see my whole thoughts. But now we're just gonna focus on each individual shoe. And what I like about this collection is no shoe is alike. So this shoe is gonna have its unique colorways. Like I said, green laces on here with a spare orange lace. This one has blue laces with a spare pink lace. So it's like nothing's the same when it comes to the toe box with its netting. It's crazy. You got the, obviously this one has the fur on it. That one doesn't. Different materials on each shoe. Wow. It has like a rug type of material on it. Look at that. Dang, that is so cool. Like, but my only question is gonna be, how will these age with all of this on here? Because I would fear, my fear is this is gonna start cracking and just breaking over time. So yeah, so I don't know how that's gonna really hold up. But like I said, prices for these are low right now. They're at their lowest. Luckily I got a size 14. Size 14 is the highest resale price for these right now, and these are my personal size, so I'm keeping these. Haven't seen anybody with a size 14W. If you got a size 14W, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. Got the classic CPFM insole as well, and just like this is what's so unique, seeing this in hand. The sponge is so crazy, and that's why it's called the sponge, because of this. Obviously the sponge all around. So I'm just like shocked, because it's like, how will this hold up over time? Like, I don't even want to touch it too much because, you know, a sponge is very delicate. So yeah, but other than that, man, looks really nice. Here's the bottom of the shoe with the Nike, nice tan or beige colorway on the bottom of the shoe here. Very good quality. I don't see anything that seems like wrong with the shoes. Seems like all the quality, all the stitching is just perfect. And yeah, so really nice overall. Definitely like the way this looks. And here's a look at the right shoe right here. Now this reminds me of like SpongeBob with the colors. Look at that. Does that not remind you of that? Now take a look at this. One thing I will say, looks like the bottom is actually the same color as this pair. As where, you know, with this, the black pair, the bottom parts, the outsoles are both, they have different colors. One's black, one's green. This one seems to be the same. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, these colors match too. Like you can, you know what I'm saying? You can definitely get some fits going on with this. You know, you just gotta definitely, you know, fit it correctly. But yeah, I just love how unique it is, man. You know, all the Nike CPFM collabs are gonna have unique looks to them, and that's why I appreciate these when it comes to, you know, this time of the year. or we get a CPFM Nike collab, because it's always gonna be something crazy. Like I said, I have the overgrowns, and I also have the Air Forces, the white colorway. They're both on the channel. You guys can check out those unboxings on the channel. But yeah, I always love how unique all the shoes are. So I'm not going to complain about them going all out with the look of the shoe, because I feel like that's what the whole purpose is for CPFM, to have just crazy designs for all their shoes and even clothing, you know? So I don't get the hate for these. Don't really have hate. I think a lot of people like these, but there are people that are just like, I mean, obviously you can like and don't like what you want to like and don't like, but I feel like when we have shoes like this, it's something to be appreciative of, because we get a lot of the same boring colorways all the time, which are always heat and always fire, and I'll always get them. But when we can change it up a little bit, I'm always going to appreciate it, because that's what being a sneakerhead's all about. Just loving some unique backgrounds behind shoes and stories, and just enjoying what you like and putting them on feet too. I'm not going to put these on feet right away. I'm not too sure when, but I will eventually, for sure, because these are staying in my collection for sure. I just want to see how they do resale wise. Like, I'm never going to sell them, but you know, while they're low, I just want to keep them on ice. And then you may, a couple months from now, the price is going to skyrocket for these things, and that's when I definitely want to pick them up. So yeah, with the blue laces here and the pink laces here, really nice. But overall, those are the shoes here. Let me know what you guys think about the gold pair of the CPFMs. Are you guys going to be picking them up? Look at, there's the difference of the detail here. Let me show you guys that. Difference in materials. No material is alike. Everything's completely different and mismatched, but matches at the same time. Like, it does match. Oh, actually, one might be, no, I think it's the same color. It's the same color. I have a feeling the purple pair might have a, I want to say this one looks a little lighter, but I think it's the same color. I think they're both the same colors. Yeah, I think that they're both the same colors. Yeah, so that's the same. So that's really cool. But let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section down below. Are you guys going to cop these? And I always love to give my opinions on when you guys should pick up a shoe for resale, if you guys missed the retail pair. If you guys did miss out on these for the retail, I highly suggest you guys pick them up now while pairs are shipping. The price is at its lowest right now, and with typical CPFM fashion, these will definitely go up in price. Give it like 2-3 months. Go back to this video 2-3 months from now and watch the price be high. Watch, this is gonna be like a $400 to $500, maybe even $600 shoe. In size 14, it's already high, but for the other sizes, it's like around $295 right now. So it's about the $300 range right now. So give it 2 months from now and watch how crazy the price will be for these, man. But that is the gold pair. And we got one more pair to go. So make sure you guys check out that video, and make sure you guys check out this video for the black pair as well. I'll see you guys on next time. I'm signing out. Peace.